Hey there guys, I hope you are having a happy Tuesday. I've got a quick little hint for y'all. If you have some seashells and you want to drill holes in them. Now, I have finished a little whitewashed book stack over here, and my next thing to do with that is to wrap some twine around it. And then I want to put some seashells on the twine as well. So I had these seashells from my friend's house in Florida. She and I picked them up years ago, and she has this system for cleaning them whereby you put them in bleach and then you lay them out on a table and you let them bleach, and the sun bleaches them. It's just such a sweet process. I just love the whole thing. But I did want to show you guys how I put a hole in the top of these seashells. The tutorials that I read kept recommending that you use a thumbtack, and I tried that, and then I thought, well, that's ridiculous, so let's try the pokey tool. And when I tried the pokey tool, it worked out really, really well. So I wanted to just kind of show that to you. I did kind of dull the end of my pokey tool, but I think I can bring that back with just a little bit of buffing. It's not that big a deal, but I want to kind of show you how I did this, and kind of let you follow along, because it's seashell, it's going to be seashell time, and we all love to go to the shore and pick them up. And what's the point in buying seashells when you can go to the shore and pick them up? And I don't know about you, but I think every seashell tells a story. So what I did was just kind of started a little hole, and I was very gentle. But you'll be surprised by how quickly you can kind of break through here. And you can kind of see the seashell coming up right now. I mean, you can tell that you're drilling it because you're getting a little bit of residue right there. And then, and just a little bit. And if you guys have you tried to do this before? Because I was surprised. Every tutorial that I read said nothing about a pokey tool, but everything about using a, oh, there it went. A push pin, or gosh, what is that other thing we were talking about? Thumbtack. But there you go. And you just you have to kind of be gentle with it because you don't want to crack it. Oh, I have to put that back. And there you go. It was just kind of a cool thing, you guys. So if you have some seashells and you want to use them as decor, then just try your pokey tool and just be gentle with it, and you can push a hole right through that seashell and use it to your artistic heart's content. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.